Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Mal. I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. You know, springtime is coming out, even though of course we're in this pandemic with coronavirus and all of that. I just want everybody to be safe. You know, on a lighter note, just be safe, protect yourself. I'm telling everybody, you know, wear your gloves, wear your mask, just pretty much protect yourself and protect your family, protect the loved ones you have around you. I mean, me personally, I'm going through a loss myself. I lost my best friend, you know, to coronavirus and whatnot. But you know, I'm dealing with that. So I mean, a lot of people aren't taking this thing serious. Me being on the other side, losing somebody to it, it is serious. So I want everybody to protect yourself. Wear all your protections. If you don't need to go outside, don't go outside. There's nothing out here right now. Me personally, I'm an essential worker, so I work every day. So I got off work, came here, and I'm shooting this video for y'all for this tune, because you know, you read the title, you read the thumbnail, you know what you're here for. So I don't want to make things light, but you know, I definitely want to get that information out there to people who are, you know, really taking this thing serious. So, but on a better note, I'm here in the S4. I'm laying idle right now. I popped the ECU in. I got it from my guy Matt from Jackal Motorsports. Guy's amazing, man. I've pretty much been DMing this guy for a week. You know, we've been talking back and forth about the tune, how I like it, and all of that. The process was simple. Popped my ECU out, sent it to him. He tuned it, coded it up, made sure, you know, because I'm catless, and I was throwing the code for being catless. I had no problems, man. Popped the ECU back in, the car started up first try, no issues. This is perfect and easy. I mean, if you're not able to drive to him, shipping the ECU, I didn't want to do it, but it actually was easy for me to do rather than to drive all the way to, I think he's in Maryland. You know, I'm in New York. That would have been a type long drive, but process was simple. I have driven a car. I ain't gonna lie, I have driven a car. It still has the characteristics of like how it is normal, like the stock tune and how everything drives. But like, if you notice about the S4 like power band, like it has a lot of dead spots in it, and now it's like all the dead spots are gone. So I didn't do a real pull. I wanted to get that on camera so you guys can get my actual reaction to that. But I just drove it around, you know, just to make sure it was okay. You know, I had no issues, and you know, I could hit Matt back and be like, okay, everything is good. You know, so I had no lights, no nothing. But you guys are here now, and you're gonna get my actual reaction. I'm gonna drive around a little bit, do a couple pulls, get my reaction to that, and then I'll sum it up at the end. I'm not gonna get too crazy. I'm gonna do a couple pulls. Sorry for the shaky camera, man, and fucking mount's kind of destroyed in my practice runs, but I'm gonna do a couple pulls, man, let you guys see, you know, hear how it pulls and whatnot, and that's it. And then mostly at the end of the video, I'm probably gonna talk about it. This block is pretty chill, so I'm about to pull on this block. Just fuck it. But overall, man, car driving around normally, it still has, you know, it still drives around normal. It's probably a little bit more like you don't have to do much for it to go anymore. Like driving around town, just give it a little bit of throttle, and you don't got to do much. If you want to overtake somebody, or you know, you want to get over or something like that, you ain't got to do much. In any gear you want to choose, give it a little bit, and that car moves, no problem. You know what I'm saying? There's no problem, no issues. But now, like after 3K, man, it just pulls the red line, and red line now is 7,500. Yo, this car is just amazing. I ain't gonna lie, I was a little scared on that one. That was my first time doing a pull on this shit, man. I ain't gonna lie, that shit was a little crazy. Fuck it. Oh shit. Yo, this car is completely come alive, bro, cause it pulled nowhere near like that stock, bro. Even with my exhaust and everything, like It never pulled like that. That shit was wild, and I didn't even rev it out. I short shifted it because hearing it, how I used to hearing it, like I'm thinking like, oh yeah, it's time to shift. I think I was shifting at 5,500, and like I said before, red line now is 7,500. 7,500, guys. You can take this car all the way up to 7,500 now. That's crazy in a V8. Who doesn't want that? A V8 that revs past 7,000, man. That's just fun all day, man. That was crazy. I think this time I'm gonna bring it out more. But damn, man, I never had a car I can just rev out like that. You know, I'm used to 4-banger turbos and stuff like that. Like this V8 life, this is something new for me. So this is amazing, bro. Yo, shout out to Matt, man. This is amazing. That shit scared the shit out of me. I ain't even gonna lie. I wasn't expecting that, but that was amazing, man. This is what I'm talking about right here, man. That's for the price. We get to the end of the video. For the price, bro, you can't beat that, man. You can't beat that. For the price, I'm talking about. I think Matt is charging $350. Come on, man. $350. You're getting, you know, if you got the mods and stuff like that, you're getting a car revs to 7,500. You're getting, as its dyno numbers, he was saying that it's 325 to the wheels for this tune, usually with full exhaust. 325 to the wheels, guys. Come on, man. You can't beat that, guys. You can't even argue with that. For $350, you're getting all that if you upgrade your exhaust. Come on, and it's got launch control. I ain't even get into that yet. It's got launch control too. Launches at 5,400. Come on, man. Can't beat that, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I don't get too crazy because I am gonna do an update video. My car is doing a little smoking. I did install a catch can, so I'm gonna show you guys how I installed my catch can, and I also installed the intake. But I'm also gonna delete the auxiliary radiator, so that's gonna be another. So that's a couple videos, guys, I got coming. I told y'all in springtime I'm gonna be back on it. I got great news, you know, possibly a supercharger coming. So it's getting crazy, man. This 2020 is starting off shitty, you know what I'm saying, with the virus and stuff like that. But we gonna do some things, man. And I might be getting another vehicle to the channel. So just stay tuned, man. I'm getting crazy, man. I'm going all in. Coronavirus showed me that, like, yo, you know what I'm saying? Like, your time is, you know, ain't no guarantees, man. If you want something, you gotta get out here and get it. And I wanna get this information out here, and I wanna build these cars, man. And that's something that I wanna do. I'm not doing YouTube as like, yo, I wanna get rich. I just wanna help the platform and inform people that aren't informed with this car or any car that I purchased, man. And I'm not one of those guys that's, oh, I know everything, man. I'm learning every day. I'm learning something new, man. I'm not the most hands-on guy, but as time goes on, I want to get into my car. I want to be able to get more hands-on. I want to do a lot more, and I want to try to bring you guys with me. You know, I'm never going to be that guy that's going to be like, you know, a lot of these YouTubers, they act like they know everything, man, and it's just like, bro, you wasn't born like that, bro. You ain't know everything, man. And I'm the first one to say, yo, if I don't know, I don't know, man. And if I ever say something that you guys think is wrong, and you can, you know, it's a fact that I'm wrong, I ain't got no problem taking criticism. Somebody dropping a comment and, yo, man, when you said that, you were wrong. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just one of those guys, man. I believe that's how you got to be in life, man. You got to be open-minded. You know what I'm saying? When you close-minded, you don't eat, man. You don't get nowhere. People that are open-minded to learning, they get somewhere, man. You know? So, but I'm about to do another pull right now, man. If you're in New York, you know where I'm pulling on, man. So, there's only certain areas in Queens where you can, you know, you can do a pull without going to fucking jail, man. You know, so. But it's a light day right now. I'm about to do another pull. I should get on the highway, man. Do this fucking pull. Alright. Full blast. Alright. That was first to second, 7,000, man. First to second, 7,000. I brought that bitch up to 7,000, man. That shit was wild. This is what we gonna do, man. I'm gonna go get on the highway, get back off, circle around, and I'm gonna do one last pull. I'm probably gonna run all the way up to like 4th, and then I'm done, man. I think that's enough, man. I think that's enough for, you know, man, to get a couple of you to get y'all tuned, man. Get on the highway. Get on the highway now, man. And just, oh, this highway's clear, man. We gonna do it. Yo, this shit is crazy now, son. Yo, this shit. This car just pulls, guys. It just pulls and pulls, and it just not die off. Oh my gosh. Yo. Let me chill, man. We let it cool down. Yo, every gear, go to first, pulls, throw it in second, pulls, throw it in third, pulls, throw it in fourth, pulls. Like, yo, to fifth, pulls. You go to sixth, you know, the design of the fucking gearing is terrible for the sixth gear. Sixth gear is pretty much obsolete. I don't even know why the fuck we even got that, man. Woo. Get a couple pops too, man. I don't know if it's my exhaust setup, but I get pops and shit. I don't know if y'all can catch that, man, but get a couple pops and all of that too. It's amazing, guys. And I can, oh man. You know, I think I've been hearing some clicking noise from the front, so I'm thinking like my axle's bad or some shit. But fuck it, man. I wasn't gonna do launch control, but fuck it. I think I'm gonna do it anyway, man. I gotta do it for the people, man. Full send, man. Oh, fuck it. 2020 full send, man. We going, you know what I'm saying? We going for it all, man. We doing it all, man. We ain't playing scared no more, man. Yeah, that's one thing I did learn, man. I ain't playing scared no more. I'm doing what the fuck I need to do when I need to do it, and I'm going for what I want, and ain't nobody gonna tell me otherwise, man. That's how I'm living, man. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't supporting it, you ain't fucking with me. Fuck it. I don't care, man. And I hope everybody else at home, you got some goals. Now, y'all go for it, man. Motherfucker tell you, yo, man, how you gonna do that, man? Telling me to Frank. That's what you tell him to do, man. But he's hating ass, man. We're going for everything. We're doing what we want to do, and we thriving. That's it. I ain't playing no more games, man. Waking up, grind. Waking up, go to work, get off work, grind. That's it. On the grind and make other incomes and do all that stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? We doing it all, baby. That's it. That's all. If you ain't fucking with me, fuck you. Keep it pushing, man. I don't care. That's how I'm living. But anyway, you know, I be getting into my little rants and shit, man. I'm just level 10 these days, man. It's just shit just different. But anyway, we gonna get into this launch control, man. I never use launch control in a car, period. So, you're gonna have to bear with me. I may launch it may not be perfect, you know, but whatever, man. We're gonna do the best we can, man. So, first thing you do is you turn your traction control off, you know, ESP, whatever. You turn that off. Put it in first. Put the clutch in. Let go of the clutch. Oh, that shit moves. That shit moves. Yo, guys, that shit moves, man. Yo, that shit fucking moves, man. Yo, that shit fucking moves. Yo, that shit fucking moves, man. Yo, shout out to Matt, man. All I gotta say is, listen, man, you got a B6 S4. I'm gonna keep it sweet. You got a B6 S4, B7 S4. Man should be tuning your car, bro. I've seen APR. I'm not gonna, you know, I've driven APR tuned cars. That's a waste. The only tune that I seen that was really good and everybody's leans to, and I seen that it was good, was JHM. They're really the only company that supported this platform. You know, a lot of people shy away from this platform. JHM really did a lot of, you know, a lot of stuff for this platform. But Match Tune, I driven the full bolt on JHM S4. This ain't this tune right here. This shit is different, bro. And that's not a knock to JHM. I love JHM. I you know, I use their products. I love JHM, but this tune right here, honestly, this the best tune for this car, bro. I've driven plenty of S4s with different tunes, custom tunes, all around. This tune right here is just, this tune is just different, bro. So I highly 100% recommend, if you got this car, without a doubt, don't even look no further, guys. Just get this tune right here. This will turn your car into a monster. And that's all I can really say, man. Just fuck with it. Like as I said, I think he's selling the tune for about, I think about $300 or $350, which is a good price. I mean, compared to all the other tuning companies off the shelf, like APR and all that stuff, the tunes are like going for probably like $600. You know, so it's really a no-brainer, man. You're gonna get more power, and it's at the price. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, guys, I think I'm gonna end this video right here. Just stay tuned. Like I said, man, I got, you know, intake install video coming. I got what else I got, man? I got the intake. I'm gonna show you guys what I did for the catch can. I'm probably gonna delete the auxiliary radiator, so the, you know, the intake will work better and create a duct for it, so that the air can come up to the duct. You know, I'm doing a whole bunch of stuff, guys. So I just need you guys to stay tuned. You know, support your boy. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. I'm Mal. If you don't know, you know, stay down with this. If you got this engine, if you're looking to buy this car, I'm gonna be, you know, doing a lot of information for you guys, so you guys can, you know, buy this car with confidence. That's what I want people to do, is buy this car with confidence and feel comfortable when they purchase, and be happy with their purchase, you know. But like I said, I'll catch you guys in the next video.